Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Welcome to Cast Iron Wednesday. We're going to be doing something I've never done before, never attempted before or tried before. Something I heard about right here on YouTube. There's a gentleman who I've talked about before. His name is George Motes. He's a author, video maker, movie maker. He made a documentary called Hamburger America, which I'll try to link below. He basically just travels around the country trying different burgers, regional burgers. He wrote a book, hamburgers. I forget what it's called. I think it's called Hamburger America too. But there's a place in Memphis, Tennessee called Dyer's, and I just checked the site. They're still open, but they've been using the same grease since 1912. So now I don't have that grease because, well, I just, I don't have anything that great. But I thought, well, I like deep frying stuff, and yeah, let's try it, because it might seem a little weird, but it might also be delicious. So I've never done this before. I have fried before. I'm gonna do a few things different, which I'll show you here right now. I would definitely travel there and try one of these burgers though, because it sounds really good. So I'll show you what I got going on. And okay, so a couple of things I'm gonna do differently. First, I'm gonna deep fry in my cast iron skillet, my big one. I actually just cooked the other day. I made a fish witch, same oil, so there might be a little fish flavor transfer, but I guess we'll find out. But I like fish, so I'm not really that worried about it. What they do is they put the burger into the grease, and then they actually will lift it out of the grease, put the cheese on it, and do a quick dip to melt the cheese. I'm not going to do it that way. I'm just going to move the meat, once it's cooked, over to this draining rack to drain off some of the extra oil. And I've got my fish spatula here, because I'm going to hopefully drop it in, and then because of the angle I can lift it out and then move it over and then cook another one. So okay, so I got my ingredients, got my buns here. I guess the it's really simple. It's just bun, pickles, mustard, and onion, but I'm leaving the onion off because I can't stand onion. I got some 80-20 ground beef here, which I gotta form up 2 patties, because you also, oh, I guess you can't see that, which I'm gonna smash these. Now normally I would add seasonings, but I think they would just burn in the oil, so we're not gonna do it that way. So I'm gonna form the patties, press them down, basically scoop it up, drop it in the oil, and see what happens. I think I'm going to attempt to press these out with the bottom of a plate. This one's actually a little bit bigger than this one. Now they had marble countertops, which look much better than my method, but hey, if it works, it works. They look pretty smashed flat, so I think that's about where I want to go. Alright, to be clean, I just want to see where the oil's temperature is at. Got to be a certain temperature. Oh, it's hitting 314, 320. It's like super close. 320, kind of where it's hitting. Nope. It's climbing. It's 333. I think that's gonna be good enough. So let's put on my thermometer. Guarantee that I'm actually. Alright, let's try this. these are gonna, what I saw in the video, these cooked up pretty quick. A good look. Because they're fully submerged, they're I think it's already done. Come with American cheese, so get that right on there. Do what I want to do. Let's do the quick dip with the cheese on it. Just because I want to see how. I just want to see what it does. Well, I'm a little nervous doing this, but I'm gonna call that good. All right, turn the heat off. Alright, let's get the bun ready real quick. A little mustard. And I got some dill pickles here. Which, in my opinion, dill pickle is really the only way to go. Get those on. Corn is boiling as well. I got some potato chips too. That'll be my side today. You know, it's funny. I'll show you this real quick. The one I dipped in the oil actually melted, where the other one actually didn't. And I didn't even dip it all the way. Let's go ahead and get these on. This one is not fully melted, but I'm not really going to sweat it. Well, let's give it a taste. Alrighty, so I normally sit down on a tray table and do this, but because it's a burger, so here's how it looks. Let's taste it. I think I should have fried them a little longer. A little red inside, but I don't mind rare medium rare beef. All right. It's not bad. Not bad at all. Well, I'll tell you what. I mean, for a deep fried burger, they didn't come out greasy at all. I'm kind of digging it. I'm gonna sit down and eat my dinner. I'll bring you guys. Alrighty. Back. Well, I gotta say. Well, first of all, empty cutting board. I cleaned, ate them both. You know, they were actually. It was pretty damn good. Unfortunately, you know, the grease isn't seasoned, or it doesn't have the age that, you know, this place did. But You know, I'm probably gonna deep fry 2 more tomorrow, because it worked really well. It worked great, and they were surprisingly weren't very, they weren't very greasy at all either. So, who knew? Maybe there's something about it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to check the Native Tears playlist for Cast Iron Wednesday. Don't forget to check out Shovelhead8, who also does Cast Iron Wednesdays. And we'll catch you in the next one. Have a great day and enjoy the rest of your week.